multifamily or single family? Which is the best real estate investment in 2025? Some investors believe multifamily properties offer higher cash flow and better stability, while others prefer single family rentals for easier management and long-term appreciation. But which one actually makes more money? In this video, we'll break down the cash flow comparison between multifamily and single-family rentals, vacancy risks and management challenges, financing options and lending differences, the best markets for each investment, and future rental trends and tenant preferences. Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal a creative financing hack that makes investing easier even if you have limited capital. Let's dive in. The biggest factor in real estate investing is cash flow. Single-family rentals have higher appreciation potential since they historically gain value faster. They are easier to finance because more banks offer loans with low interest rates, and they experience lower tenant turnover as families tend to stay longer. However, cash flow is limited with only one rent check per month, and vacancies hurt more since losing a tenant means 100% of the rental income disappears. Multifamily rentals generate more rental income per property as a triplex earns 3 times more rent than a single-family home. They have lower vacancy risk since other units still generate cash flow if one is empty, and they are cost efficient with one roof, one insurance policy, and one loan. However, they require more active management with multiple tenants, leading to more maintenance, and they come with tougher financing requiring higher down payments and stricter lending. To maximize cash flow for single-family rentals, targeting homes with ADUs, accessory dwelling units, or finished basements can help add a second rental unit. For multifamily rentals, optimizing income by incorporating short-term rental units in high-demand markets where it is legal can increase profitability. The best strategy depends on your goals. If you want steady monthly income, multifamily properties are a better choice. If you're looking for long-term appreciation, single-family homes are the way to go. Vacancy can destroy your profits, so let's talk about the risks. In single-family rentals, if your tenant moves out, you make $0 until you find a new one. The average vacancy for single-family rentals is 30 to 60 days. To avoid long vacancies, offering lease renewals with small incentives, such as a free cleaning service or a minor upgrade, can encourage tenants to stay. In multifamily rentals, even if one unit is empty, other tenants still pay rent. However, higher tenant turnover means vacancies are more frequent. To keep occupancy high, providing flexible lease terms, such as 6-month leases for short-term tenants or discounts for 2-year agreements, can help maintain steady rental income. Managing a single-family rental is easier since there is only one tenant and one lease to handle. However, a single repair, such as replacing an HVAC system, can wipe out an entire year's profit. In contrast, managing a multifamily property comes with more income streams, so one repair won't have as big of an impact. However, it also means dealing with more tenant complaints, late payments, and higher insurance costs. If managing multiple units sounds overwhelming, hiring a property manager can be a smart move. The standard fee is 8 to 10% of monthly rent, but it can save significant time and stress. Can you even afford to buy one of these investments? For single-family rentals, financing options include low down payments, such as FHA loans requiring only 3.5% down, VA loans with 0% down, and conventional loans ranging from 5% to 20% down. Interest rates are also lower since banks favor single-family rentals, making it easier to secure loans under 7%. For multifamily rentals, larger down payments are typically required, ranging from 20% to 30% for a duplex or triplex. Interest rates for multifamily loans are also higher, often 1% to 2% more than single-family loans. A creative financing hack to overcome these challenges is using seller financing, which can help bypass traditional loan requirements. Additionally, house hacking a duplex or triplex allows investors to qualify for FHA financing with just 3.5% down, while renting out the other units to cover the mortgage. The best cities for single-family rentals in 2025 include Austin, Texas, which offers strong appreciation and high rental demand; Tampa, Florida, known for affordable homes and a strong job market; and Phoenix, Arizona, which has a booming population and landlord-friendly laws. For multifamily rentals, top cities include Cleveland, Ohio, which has low-cost properties and great rental yields; Indianapolis, Indiana, known for affordable housing and steady job growth; and Columbus, Ohio, which boasts a fast-growing economy and strong cash flow potential. A great strategy is to invest in secondary markets, small cities near booming metros, to achieve high returns with lower competition. The rental market is shifting in several key ways. There's increasing demand for affordable housing, which makes multifamily properties a strong investment. With more people working remotely, single-family rentals are becoming more attractive due to the need for larger living spaces. However, some cities are introducing stricter rent control and regulations, so investors must research local policies before buying. The best strategy is to buy multifamily properties in cash flow markets. Invest in single-family homes in high-growth areas and use hybrid strategies like short-term rentals to maximize profits. Which is the better investment, single-family or multifamily rentals? Multifamily rentals offer higher cash flow but require more management, while single-family rentals are easier to manage and appreciate more over time, but come with higher vacancy risks. My number one tip is to start small. If you're new to real estate investing, consider buying a duplex or triplex to enjoy multifamily cash flow while still qualifying for residential financing. Which type of rental do you prefer? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next real estate investing video.